Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making chocolate chip cookie bars. I have made lots of cookies before, but I have never made them in a bar form. The beauty of this recipe calls for melted butter. You throw everything together, you throw it in a pan, in the oven it goes, and then out it comes. Delicious and quick and easy. Also, this recipe includes espresso powder. You know how I love that with any chocolate recipe. Highly recommend it. I'm also making it because chocolate chip cookie bars, you light up my life. You add sweetness to all of my days. I just can't resist. I really can't resist, and let's just stop the song and let's get to it. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your 9x13 pan ready to go. Lightly grease it. Melted butter, brown sugar. Stir together gently. Salt, vanilla. Add 1 egg at a time. Baking powder, mix your dry ingredients. Espresso powder, whisk together. Add your flour mixture in. Stir to combine. Add chips of your choosing. I have some remnants, dark chocolate chips. I got butterscotch chips, milk chocolate, semi-sweet. It is a combination. Add whatever you like. Stir to combine. Scoop the batter into your pan best you can. Typically, I would insist on refrigerating this, but the whole purpose of this recipe is to be quick and easy. Spread out in your pan. You can wet the spatula too if you need to. Dip in some water if needed, just to make the top really smooth. Bake for 30 to 32 minutes. Here's the deal. The edges are going to be more done than the center, and that's okay. A toothpick will not come out clean. Just do not overbake. So again, if the edges look like they are done and the center maybe not as much, that's done, because as they cool, they will solidify. Time's up. They definitely look set on the edges, and it definitely is a little bit loose in the middle. Just what we want. So that you've completely flat bars, go ahead and press them down with a heat-proof spatula or other. We're just going to flatten this out a bit. Let cool completely before cutting. You can even leave them overnight. Oh, yum. You can see how ooey gooey these are going to be. Oh my, oh my. Did I mention that these are chewy chocolate chip bars? They are chewy. They're going to be ooey, gooey, delicious. All those chips in there, ooey, gooey, chewy chocolate chip bars. How could these not be delicious? Seriously, how could they not be delicious? Let's give it a taste. Deliciousness in a chocolate chip cookie bar that you can make to your liking. I certainly tasted those butterscotch chips, but also the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate along with the semi-sweet I added in there just makes it extra special. And that espresso powder always brings through those chocolate flavors. These are great. If you need something quick and easy that you could even let sit overnight and then feed a crowd the next day, this is it. This is it. If I can make these chocolate chip bars for the very first time with you watching me, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram.